Yes guys, welcome to the third video of email marketing series. And guys, in today's video we are going to make our feet wet and do some practical stuffs, okay? And guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Arpan Das. I generally create content on making money online and affiliate marketing. So guys, if you're really interested in such kind of content, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you ask anything in the comment section below if you have any doubt regarding my video. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. So guys, here we are going to talk about autoresponder and why do we need an autoresponder. Okay, now as you can see the slide, it says an autoresponder allows you to send email messages automatically to the people who have opted in your list. Okay, that is your subscribers. Now let me give an example here. Suppose you are having 50 to 100 leads coming to your email list every day. Okay, and then you need to send them the welcome email, then you need to provide him the lead magnet and send a series of email sequence to your audience. Okay, and suppose you're having 50 to 100 people coming to your list, so it's impossible for you to send them emails manually to each and every of your audience, right? So that is the reason we need autoresponder that will help marketers generally to send out emails to their audience or subscribers automatically. Okay, now let me go to the next slide. So guys, there are many autoresponders out there like ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, Aweber, SendLane, etc. Okay, but I will suggest you to start with GetResponse. Here are the 5 reasons why. Firstly, it is beginner friendly. Okay, then it is very cheap compared to its competitors like ActiveCampaign, Aweber. Then thirdly, it provides 30 days free trial, so you can make your feet wet with it. Okay, number 4, it has great user experience and user interface, so I'm sure you're going to like that, and you have automation in place. So guys, these are the 5 reasons I will suggest you to start with GetResponse. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide, and it says why you should not use a free email marketing software. So guys, I find many people asking me that why should they pay for GetResponse, because there are many free email marketing tools out there, right? But let me tell you something here. So actually, while doing email marketing and when you have an email marketer's mindset, what do you need to do? You need to make sure that your emails of your affiliate link should drop in the inbox section of your audience. Okay, it's no use if they drop on promotional tab or in the spam or in some other places, right? So in order to make sure that our emails drop or land in their audience's inbox, so for that you need to use a paid email marketing software. Okay, if you write an email without spammy content, it will make sure that your GetResponse will make sure that your email lands in your audience inbox. Okay, not spam. But if you're using a free email marketing software, it's not guaranteed that it will always going to land on your inbox. There's a high chance and high probability that your emails will land on spam or promotional tab. So guys, if your emails are landing on your promotional tab or spam, you are losing a lot of money there. So it's common mindset. It's very easy to understand that you should always go for a paid email marketing software like GetResponse to make sure your email is delivered to your audience right at the inbox. Okay, now let's move on to the 4th slide. Here is the pricing of GetResponse. So better if I show you on my Chrome browser. Okay, so guys, this is the website of GetResponse. If I click on pricing, so here are the basic plan, plus plan, professional and max. Okay, now if you have a list size of less than 1000, you need to pay $15 per month, and this entire plan includes email marketing, autoresponder, unlimited landing pages, unlimited autoresponder automation templates, sales funnel, unlimited funnels, Facebook and Google ads, and chats. Okay, now guys, if you go to the plus plan, it's going to provide you everything that's included in the basic plan, but it will have automation builder, which is very important, webinars, contact score and tagging, sales funnel, work together, and webinar funnels. Okay, but I myself use plus plan with, I am having 10,000 subscribers right now, so I need to pay $95 per month for it. Okay, now if you're starting new, I would recommend you to go with basic plan, and since if you are a new man who is just starting with email marketing, you're going to have less than 1,000 people, so it's going to cost you $15 per month, which is very cheap compared to other email marketing softwares out there. So guys, I would recommend you to start with the basic plan, okay? And I'm going to provide my affiliate link in the description below. You can go there and sign up for your GetResponse free account, okay? Now guys, I'm going to show you how you need to create your first free GetResponse account, okay? So guys, when you arrive to this GetResponse website, you need to click on sign up for free, and here you need to provide your name and email. Okay, and your password if you now it's going to tell you to activate your email ID. Okay, so it's better to go to my Gmail. So guys, you're going to receive an email on your Gmail, so you need to click on activate my account. Okay, now it's your here you need to provide your address and all. Okay, so guys, this is that easy to create your free GetResponse account. As you can see, you're going to get 30 days free trial, so you can use this to make your feet wet with GetResponse and know everything related to email marketing. Okay, just follow my series. It's going to be there like step-by-step process. So as you can see the dashboard, there are some widgets here. If you want, you can click here and remove these widgets. Okay, and if you want to add new widget, you need to click on this plus icon, and here are so many widgets out there for you. If you want, you can add them to see your statistics. Basically, like there's a widget known as list size, which is going to show you all your email lists and how many people are there in all of those lists. Okay, then list trends, newsletters, forms. Okay, like this you need to choose your widget if you want to. I myself don't use them at all. So guys, when I come to my GetResponse dashboard, I generally look into 4 things. Okay, if I click on menu over here, there are so many things available, but since GetResponse is one of the best email marketing software, so I use GetResponse for email marketing only. Okay, like I use it for email marketing, autoresponder and automation, not webinar. I don't use webinars with GetResponse. I don't use funnels, landing pages, forms and surveys with GetResponse. I use other software like group funnels and click funnels to do these stuffs. So guys, as you know, email marketing, autoresponders and automation are the crux of email marketing. So I generally use these 3 features with GetResponse. Okay, I'm going to show you everything. Like we are going to have upcoming sessions on email marketing, autoresponders and automation. Okay, and this is all about GetResponse. You can create your form, you can create your newsletter, landing pages, contacts, and create autoresponder from this quick widget. Okay, so guys, enough of lectures. Now let's start and do some practical work. Okay, so guys, the first thing which you need to do is you need to add your business email address with your GetResponse. Okay, because it is very important to add your business email address, because if you're using a Gmail or a Yahoo or a Hotmail email address, then I don't think GetResponse will allow it, and also GetResponse will not make sure that your emails go and land in your audience's inbox. So it's very compulsory to make sure that we use a business email address to make sure that our emails actually lands on my audience inbox. Okay, so in order to add your email address, we need to click on this account, my account option, then go to manage account, and in the left hand side you're going to find email addresses. So this is the login email address which is showing, and it is default. Now in order to add your email address, we need to click on add email, and you can write your own name here, and here you need to provide your business email address. Okay, after providing your email address, you need to click on add address, and similarly you need to verify it by going to your inbox and verifying it. Okay, and after doing that, it's unconfirmed now because I have not verified it yet. Now you need to again go and verify your account. I will not going to show that because very basic stuff. And after verifying your email address, you need to make this as your default. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to show you how you need to create your first list. Okay, so you need to have multiple lists actually. Maybe one list should be for your Indian audiences, number 2 list should be for top tier 1 country audiences. Okay, number 3 list can be for business owners. So I'm going to show you how you need to create your first list. So if you see, there is a list option at the top bar. If I click on list, okay, this is the basic default list they provide. Now in order to create your first list, you need to click on this button, create list, and here you need to add your name. Let's say I'm creating a list for, since you know in my last video I've showed you how I downloaded a lead magnet. If you haven't, I will drop the link in the description below. You can check the previous video out there. Okay, now here, since in my last video I have downloaded an email marketing ebook as my lead magnet, so I'm going to create a list that will actually hold people who are really interested in email marketing. Okay, so I'm going to write email marketing open. Okay, so let's click on create. Now you have your email list, right? It's showing the number of contact as 0 obviously now. So now you need to click on these 3 dots, and suppose you want to add a new contact, then you need to click on add contacts. Now here you have 2 options, one by one manually and upload a file, use an external service, or paste rows. So if you have your existing list in a t.txt file, then you can click over here and upload your file by dragging your file here. Okay, and if you want to add some emails manually, then you need to click here, add the email address, add the person's name, okay, and check on this I have permission to add person to my list, and click on add contact. I'm going to show you one. Suppose I'm going to add my email address, one of my email address here. Now if I click over here and I click on add contact, now if I go back to my list, see here you can see you are having one contact. Okay, if I click over here on my list, actually I'm going to see the email address which I just put out in my email list. Okay, and it also shows that it is added manually. Okay, now if I go back again to the list and again go to this 3 dot, and if I click on settings, it will a list setting will appear here. It will show the list name, and if you want you can write your list title, that what is your list all about, and you can add your description if you want. Then if you want you can choose the category. I don't do that, and in language it's better to choose English. Okay, and if you want to have your own logo, you can drag and drop your logo here. And if you want, if someone clicks on your logo, you want them to be redirected to your website or what, then you need to enter your website address over here. Okay, and after doing all the changes, you need to click on save general settings. And if I go to the next tab, which is subscription tab, here I will recommend you to always make this off, because whenever a new person subscribes to your list, you're going to get a notification. So initially you're going to feel happy, yes, I've got someone in my list, but as you grow, you're going to have say 500 people, 600 people coming to your list every day, right? Then it's going to be annoying, like you're going to receive 500 emails when someone joins in your list. So I will recommend you to trigger off this send subscription notification, and you should not touch these 2 things, no need at all. And confirmation page, you should click on GetResponse, and rest are similar. Okay, you do not have to worry about this. And confirmation message should be HTML, and here you can see your from address. You need to change this to your custom business email address. Okay, I have not verified it yet, that's the reason it's showing this. Okay, that's all guys, that's all the settings we have to make sure we do in our email list. Okay, and when you are done with it, make sure you click on save general settings. So guys, that was all about today's video, where I showed you how you need to add your business email and create your first list. And on the next video is going to be very interesting, where I will show you how to integrate your GetResponse with a funnel builder. And actually I'm going to show you by doing it manually in front of you, by creating an email form or an opt-in page, where you need to drop your email and click on subscribe, and that email should appear on my list. Okay, it's totally interesting practical stuff that we are going to cover on the next video. Okay, so till then, you make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you are new to this, make sure you follow my 2 previous videos on email marketing. I will drop those links in the description as well. And guys, if you want to start your free GetResponse account, I will provide the link in the description. Okay, so we'll meet you on the next video. Bye bye.